Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana and Cardano. Before starting their technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin their technical analysis. I have opened the chart of Bitcoin against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at the Bitcoin, it has recently entered into its downtrend when it gave the gave the breakdown of this double top formation, that is trend reversal formation, when it gave closing below 89,174 in this candle. After that, it exposed three targets on downside. First target is 81,586. This is almost achieved in the second last candle, and his second target is at 75,883, and its final target is at 69,586. Currently prices are consolidating at 86,421. so if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin, so as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength. So you can also exit from this coin at that strength level, and that strength level is it is the breakdown level of Bitcoin when it when it entered into its downtrend, that is 89,174. If you get the price of Bitcoin at 89,174, you can exit from this coin. And as this coin has entered into its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into Bitcoin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So if you want to get their timely alerts whether the coins are in their uptrend or in their downtrend, or we should go for buying in them, or we should go for selling or short selling into these coins, so for such kind of timely alerts, you can subscribe my this YouTube channel. So the next coin is Ethereum. So I have been discussing this scenario in my last 2 to 3 videos those I made on Bitcoins, in which I discussed that if Bitcoin will break the 89,000 level, it will simply enter into its downtrend, and we will see a huge drop in its prices. So this is the scenario now where it has given a breakdown below 89,174, and it has officially entered into its downtrend now. So it might give a pullback on upside where its prices will move between 89,174 up till 95,000. So this will be the best exit level for the guys who have bought the Bitcoin at high rates and now they are stuck into this coin. The next coin is Ethereum. If we discuss the Ethereum against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its sideways trend, where the support of this sideways trend is at 2100, and the resistance of this sideways trend is at 4100. Currently prices are moving at 2361. So if you want to go for buying into Ethereum, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 2100, and after that you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 2100, because if the Bitcoin will give closing below 2100, it will simply break its sideways trend, and it will enter into its downtrend it will enter into its downtrend like Bitcoin, and we will see a huge drop in its prices if it will give closing below 2100. But if it sustain above 2100, so we can go for buying at 2100 and our stop loss below 2100, and after that our first target will be around 2900, and final target will be the resistance of this consolidation zone, that is around 4100. The next coin is the BNB. So if we look at the BNB, currently it is consolidating in ascending channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is at 513, and the resistance of this channel formation is 820. So if you guys want to go for buying into BNB, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 513 in BNB, and you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 500, because if it will give closing below 500, it will simply break this sideways consolidation zone, and it will enter into its downtrend. So you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 500 if you go for buying around 513. And if it will sustain above 513, then its prices will go on upside, where its first target will be at 644, and its final target will be at 820. That is the resistance of this channel formation. So if you guys want to get exit from this coin, that exit point will be 650. The next coin is Solana. So if we look at the Sol against the USDC on 1 day time frame, it has entered into its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this double top formation when it gave closing below 168.78 in this candle. After that, it exposed three targets on downside. First target is 137.40, second target is 106, and final target is 78.92. So if you look at these candles have already achieved its first target. So what's next? As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be is sell on strength. So if the prices will move on its strength level, so the guys those have bought this coin at high rates and now they are stuck into this coin and they want to get exit from this coin, so they can simply exit from this coin, and that strength level and that exit level is between 168 till 195. So if you get the prices of Solana between 168 and 196, so you can go for exit from this coin. And again, is final is it has three targets on downside. First is already achieved, that was 137.40. The second target is 106.75, and final target is 78.92. So when it happened, I shared the timely alert that this coin has entered into a subtrend, and I shared this formation in my Telegram group. The Telegram group is free of cost. Their link is given in the video description. You can join that Telegram group through that link. So the next coin is Cardano ADA. So if we look at the ADA against the USDC on 1 day time frame, Cardano against the USDC, currently it is consolidating within this falling channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is at 0.5244, and the resistance of this channel formation is at 1.0258. Currently prices are moving at 0.6695 0.6691. If you want to go for buying into this kind, you need to make sure that you get your buying price at 0.5244. After that, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below the support of this channel formation. If it will give closing below the trend line support of this channel formation, it will simply break this channel formation and it will enter into its downtrend, and we will see a huge drop in its prices. So you need to make sure that if you go for buying into this kind around 0.5244, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below the level of 0.5039. And after that, if the prices sustain above 0.5244, then its prices will go on upside, where its first target will be at 0.7701, and its final target will be the resistance of this channel formation, that is 1.0258. So I have discussed the main coins in this video on 1 day time frame. So if you want to get their alerts on smaller time frame, like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30 minutes time frame, for such kind of alerts, you can join my Telegram and Facebook groups. Those groups are free of cost, and you can join those groups through the links. Their links are given in the video description. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. That's all for now. See you in next video.